Most Dubai real estate investors are watching prices, but smarter investors are watching what usually moves prices before they move. Policy, infrastructure, government budgets, business expansion, population growth, and where a country is directing its energy. That is why the Economy Middle East Summit 2026 matters for real estate investors. Because this was not only about economics, it was about direction. One of the strongest messages shared from the summit was especially important in the current regional context. After one of the region's most serious conflicts in decades, the economic message was clear. The UAE remains open, operational, and predictable. And for investors, those three words matter deeply because capital does not only follow growth, it follows clarity, it follows stability, it follows confidence, and it follows places where business can continue, infrastructure can function, and long-term plans can still move forward. This is why I always say real estate does not grow in isolation. It grows where there is confidence, infrastructure, safety, opportunity, and long-term growth. Most people look at property and ask, what is the price today? But serious investors ask a deeper question. What is the economy behind this property? And where is it going? Because by the time prices move, many of the signals were usually visible long before. First, you see the policy, then you see the infrastructure, then you see companies expanding, then you see talent moving, population growing, tourism increasing, events scaling, lifestyle demand changing, and only later do many people realize why certain locations became more valuable. So my view is very simple. Real estate investors should not only follow launches, they should follow where the country is directing its energy. Between 2021 and 2025, the UAE real GDP growth averaged around 5%, and non-oil growth remained above 6.2%. That tells us something very important. This is not just a property show. It is an economy story. It is a diversification story. In Q1 2025, the UAE's non-oil GDP grew by 5.3%. For 2026, the UAE approved its largest federal budget since the founding of the Union at 92.4 billion dirhams. And Dubai's 2026 to 2028 budget cycle is the largest in the Emirates' history, with 302.7 billion in planned expenditure. But here is the number real estate investors should really listen to. Almost half of Dubai's 2026 expenditure is directed towards infrastructure. And that is not just a budget line, it is a signal, because infrastructure changes how a city functions. It changes travel times, it changes access, it changes where people choose to live. This is exactly the lens I have been building across my videos on Dubai 2040 and D33 agenda and infrastructure-led growth, because the strongest real estate opportunities are usually not random. They are connected to the bigger economic direction of the city. But let me be very clear. This does not mean that every property, every launch, and every location is automatically a good investment. And there is another layer that matters deeply, especially in times like these: safety. But when I say safety, I do not only mean the ability to walk freely, live peacefully, or feel secure in daily life. Although for families, that is incredibly important. I also mean peace of mind, trust in institutions, trust in infrastructure, trust in long-term direction. Because people do not only move capital, they move families, they move businesses, they move routines, they move hopes, they move futures. The UAE is emerging stronger, not by chance, but by design. So before you follow the hype, follow the signals. Before you look only at property, look at the ecosystem. around it, because that is where real estate investment becomes strategy. If you're considering Dubai or the UAE as part of your investment strategy, and which locations are positioned for long-term demand, not hype, but real strategic demand, you're welcome to book a private consultation. I'm Nadia Mirdad, founder and licensed real estate consultant in Dubai. And on this channel, I help investors like you understand Dubai and the UAE real estate beyond the headlines.